Okay, hi mabuhay. Welcome back to the Adventures of Miss Chuchubells, and I am Victoria. So for today, I just did a video about the Disney designer collection using It's a Princess Thing palette, and for this video, it's going to be their their lipsticks. So I was able to purchase 4 out of the 6 lipstick that they actually have. So if you actually want to know how it swatches and how it looks on my lips, stay tuned and let's get started. If you watched my previous video, you should know that I love Disney. Anything Disney reminds me of my childhood. I think that's the reason why I'm such a hopeless romantic is because of all these Disney movies that I've watched and grown up with watching and singing. And even though I was thinking of singing a tune from each Disney characters when I'm trying on the lipsticks, but I changed my mind. They actually came out with 6 like Disney princess characters, and each Disney princess character has a corresponding lipstick, and I was only able to get 4 out of the 6. And yeah, but because when I was buying them, the other 2 was already out of stock, so sadly I was not able to buy, but I was able to get 4, so I'm so happy. So when you do purchase these lipsticks, it's actually for $7 US, and it's their Creme Lux lipsticks. It's enriched with their own Lux blend of hydrating butters. These creamy matte long wearing lipsticks glide on the lips for intense pigmentation in shades made for every skin tone. So let's see, I was able to get 4. Let's talk about the packaging first. When you actually buy the lipsticks, it will come in this black packaging, which is so pretty, and each Disney princess, their picture would be in the front, and their signature would be actually on top, and they're just like so pretty. I just want to display it somewhere because yeah, they're pretty. Just for the packaging alone, it's gorgeous. And once you open it, it's actually in this rose gold tube thing. And again, like the eyeshadow palette, it does have the signature of all the princesses. And when you open it up, it's like this, again, rose gold. And this is how much product you actually get, which is so cool. So what are the lipstick that I actually got? And I'll be inserting swatches now. So one is Ariel, second one is Belle, the next one is Cinderella, and last but not the least is Snow White. One day my prince will come, something like that. Oh my goodness, stop singing, Victoria, stop singing. Anyway, so let's try on the lipsticks, and yeah, let's get started. The first we're going to try on is Ariel. Complete your collection with this peachy beige nude color. The next one we're going to try is Cinderella. Time is running out. This true blue pink is only here till midnight. And the next one will be Belle. This enchanted rosy berry will give you so much more than this provincial life. And last but not the least would be Snow White. This candy apple red will have you ready for true love's kiss. And that's it. Those are the 4 lipsticks that I was able to purchase that was actually still available when I did my online purchase. There was 2 more which I was not able to get, which I actually wanted to. The first one was actually Tiana, And the next one, Jasmine, I was not so much into it because it was pink, but I'm quite happy with all the 4 lipsticks that I actually got. It is true, it is creamy. When I was applying it on, I didn't feel any tugging. It's not tacky because it's a bullet type lipstick, Victoria, of course, but everything was pigmented. I didn't have any issues putting it on. I feel it's drying into a matte finish, but I don't feel my lips are drying. And again, this is my first time trying the Creme Lux lipstick from Colourpop, and I feel like I want to buy more. Oh my god, my bank account would be like 0 soon because of this. If you're going to let me choose between the 4 lipsticks that I actually tried, I like Ariel and Belle more, just because I'll be able to use it on a daily basis, especially if I go to work. But how can you say no to Snow White? I think Snow White is my favorite princess of all time, just because she's such a hopeless romantic, and of course she has the 7 dwarfs with her. And my next will be Belle, just because Belle is such a strong person, such a strong woman, that nowadays like woman power, empowerment is like a thing. I think she started it. She has her own opinion. She's not scared of like letting other people know. She knows what she wants. I like this red lipstick just because I'm biased. How I wish, I think I keep on telling this in every video that I do, that how I wish I could wear red lipsticks more often. I do have a few in my collection. Oh, if you want to see all my red lipstick collection, let me know at the comment section below, and I'll be happy to share it with you guys. And yeah, for $7, this is totally worth it. And yeah, before I forget, it was not difficult to remove. You can just get a tissue and just wipe it off.
Okay guys, I just want to show you how this Luxe lipstick from Colourpop actually stayed. I've been wearing this lipstick for maybe around 6 hours now. I was drinking water, I already had my dinner, and it actually, this is Snow White, and it actually stayed. I ate a burger, I drank, I was like doing my own thing. I like doing this to my lips, and can you see that? It did fade off like in the middle, and it did bleed. I think if you use how you call it, a lip liner, it would not do that. But so far I like it, and it's so comfortable to wear. I like their formula. This is my first time actually trying their lipsticks, and I like it. I like it. I like it. Sorry, I'm such an oily mess, but yeah, I love it. Okay, bye.
And it does leave a little bit of stain, which I think is good. It means that when it wears off, at least you wouldn't have like a bare lip. At the end of the day, you will still have a bit of nice like tint. So yeah, I'm excited. So I think the 2 Ariel and Belle will go inside my makeup kit soon. Yeah, together with the Boo lip gloss that I actually tried from them, which I explained in another video. Oh my goodness, I'm such an oily mess. So who's your favorite Disney princess and why? Please share it with me. Maybe do you like Snow White? Do you like Belle like me? Or maybe you're more of an Ariel type of person, Cinderella. And yeah, even though they're not in the Disney collection, let me know in the comment section below. Do you like the Disney princesses? I'm such a hopeless romantic. I love, yeah. Anyways, Victoria, you're rambling. So if you like this type of videos wherein I try on lipsticks, I give you swatches, and if it's my first time actually trying it on, I'll give you my first impression thoughts, and that's it. So please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos every Wednesdays and Saturdays. So, till my next adventure, please remember to be courageous, kind, and a blessing to everyone you meet. Bye!